Welcome to part 28, adding the callbacks. So we've just set our layout right here, which means the callbacks, this is the only place where the callbacks can be written, is after the layout is set. So these callbacks were already discussed in detail. They are the exact same that we've seen before. There's just a little bit more documentation over here. So here's the one that changes the graphs in the right-hand corner based on whether the world table is clicked, the USA table is clicked, or one of the tabs is changed. Then we have the callback for the map, which is a very simple one. It's just a single line of code. So it gets triggered whenever the tabs are changed or whenever one of the radio items is changed. So that is that one. Now there's one other callback that's needed, and that's for toggling this nav bar. This is very specific, and this is actually just taken directly from this Dash Bootstrap components library. So it just figures out whether it is open or not. And this is on mobile. So you'll see this whenever you shrink the screen a little bit smaller than 1,000 pixels. And we'll show that when we get into the CSS section. All right, so that is it for adding the callback.